So here's the thing, if you don't tell me your name, I'm gonna put you in custody for not cooperating this morning. I'm not gonna, hold on. I understand what you're doing and what you're trying to do. It's not gonna help you a single bit in court to try to play these games. Go back with the bailiff. You're gonna make it worse if you don't.
Yeah, respectfully, this is not a fair trial.
You don't get to say respectfully and then be disrespectful. I told you very specific instructions when you were here before that if you did not do what I asked you, then your bond would be raised and you would have to go back to jail, right? Good morning. Are you Nasir Brown?
I'm not here today on special appearance.
I'm sorry, speak up so I can
Here
hear you.
today
You're appearing here today?
by special appearance.
Okay, what is your name?
I'm a third party intervener on behalf of artificial legal entity, not Nasir Brown.
Okay. At one point in your, at some point in your life prior to being this third party, were you Nasir Brown?
No.
You're not him.
I'm a third party intervener.
So here's the thing, if you don't tell me your name, I'm gonna put you in custody for not cooperating this morning. I'm not gonna, hold on. I understand what you're doing and what you're trying to do. It's not gonna help you a single bit in court to try to play these games.
That's relative.
So are you Nasir Lewis Brown? Or have you been him at some point in your life or not?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna call you by Mr. Brown because I'm not gonna say all the words that you just said. Because you have now identified yourself as Nasir Lewis Brown. And so, Mr. Brown, this is, nope, listen, this is your initial appearance and you have two cases. And cause number 26, I just asked you not to speak over me. So here's the thing, Mr. Brown. I'm gonna be very patient.
And at the child subject matter jurisdiction, going on record.
Your challenge of the subject matter jurisdiction is overruled. Let me go through what I need to go through, okay? So this is your initial appearance, your first day in court. I'm required to go through what you're charged with by indictment. In cause number 26, BCCR 03322, you're charged with a third-degree felony offense of assault family violence by impeding breath or circulation from February 16th of 2026. And then in cause number 26, DCCR 0323, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of injury to a child, and that's from February 16th of 2026. And so since you have made bond and got out of jail on your cases, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Speak up so I can.
Up and down.
It's been up and down?
Yes.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do, Mr. Brown, is I'm just like everyone else, I'm resetting your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer. You need to try to get someone hired before the next court date. If you do, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying and we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? I'm sorry?
Overstand.
Say it again.
Overstand.
You overstand?
Yes.
Okay, what does that mean?
Overstand.
Do you understand what I'm saying, sir?
I'm blind.
You'll oblige.
I'm blind. Yeah.
Okay. You just determined to use different words and be difficult, aren't you?
No.
Okay. So as a condition of your bond, did you have a condition that you were not to have any contact or communication with the complaining witnesses in each of these cases, right? Okay, and so I want to make sure you understand the importance of that. And that if you do have any contact or communication with either of them, it would be a violation of that bond condition. If I find out, your bond would be raised and you would go back to jail. Do you understand that as well? You overstand. I'm going to guess that overstand is even better than understand. So you definitely know what I'm talking about, right? So we don't have any miscommunication today. You know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to have you step in front of the clerk. You're going to sign a reset notice so you know when to be back in court and take care of those things before the next court date. All right, step in front of the clerk. Nasir Brown. Are you Nasir Brown?
I'm sorry. We were here before.
You've been here before, but you have to speak up where I can hear you.
Executing beneficiary of the trust in hand.
Of the trust of what?
Of the trust in hand, yeah.
Of the trust in hand? Whose
Yes.
hand? What trust?
The execution.
Did you bring a copy of it?
I wasn't able to get to the copy. I do have.
Take the glasses off. I need to see your eyes, please.
These are my prescription glasses.
That's okay. So I'm having a hard time understanding you. You need to speak up and speak clearly so that the record can be clear. You were already here and I gave you an opportunity to try to go hire a lawyer for your 2 cases. Did you get a lawyer hired?
Able to do it.
Who'd you talk to?
Made a few calls to the guy, Rafe. What's his name? Rafe King?
Mm-hmm.
What's his name again?
Who else?
That's the lawyer that I chose.
So if you chose him, you should have gotten him. I mean, he has the same, there's somebody that answers his phone every week. I understand. I know how it works. I told you to hire someone or visit with at least 3 lawyers.
Made an attempt.
You made an attempt? Okay. Did you go see Mr. Kimler? Did you make an appointment?
Able to do that.
Why not?
I'm not in a position to go back and forth in front of a lawyer that's in this state that I'm not from. This is foreign age.
So here's the thing, Mr. Brown, I told you very specific instructions when you were here before that if you did not do what I asked you, then your bond would be raised and you would have to go back to jail, right?
No.
Yes, that's exactly what I say, because you've heard me say it probably 8 times already this morning. So at this time, Mr. Brown, because you did not do what I asked you to do or what I ordered you to do, I'm going to raise your bond.
Challenge subject matter jurisdiction.
That's overruled. Listen, Mr. Brown, I'm raising your bond to $100,000 in each of your cases for not following the court order. Go back with the bailiff. Go back with the bailiff. Go back with the bailiff. You're gonna make it worse if you don't.
Yeah, respectfully, this is not a fair trial.
You don't get to say respectfully and then be disrespectful. Go back with the bailiff.
She started.
Don't make me lay hands on you,
Why would you lay hands on me?
because you're not doing what I'm telling you to go.
Mr. Brown,
She go
You
back.
need to go back with the bailiff. Right now, I've raised your bonds. You have to go with the
I am not
bailiff.
a threat to any officer.
You through in, Judge?
Yes, I'm through.
I am not a threat to any officer.
Let's go.
Why are hands on me?
Yeah.
Why are
I
hands
told
being
you, I told you I was gonna put hands on you.
Why are hands being put on? Y'all see this on the camera?
Stand right there, put your hands on the wall. Okay, put your hands on the wall, because you're not listening. Don't listen. I don't. How's that?